amigos! Me llamo Joseph, and today we're gonna learn how to make some box pasta. Let's get to it. First off, what you're gonna wanna do is read the instructions. We're gonna bring some water to a boil. After it's been boiling for 11 minutes, we're gonna be done. This is not rocket science, it's pasta. Let's do that water. I just realized I didn't measure how much water we needed. We're gonna need 2 of these. We're gonna need 1 of these. While that's boiling, we're gonna wanna get ready for the next part of this, which is gonna be the creamy Alfredo sauce. We're just gonna heat this up in another pan, which I need to get out. Got it. We're gonna put this into this, and then once that's boiling, this into that. A lot of things going on here. I hope I do this right. Just a pinch of salt helps the water boil. This takes a while. Well, we are starting to get to a boil. Ooh, that's hot. So the trick here is what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna open the box. Why is that? Oh, my nose! What you're gonna wanna do, now we've got a nice boil going on here. We're just gonna dump these noodles in here. We're gonna let it go for about 11 minutes. Oh my God, don't do that. We hear that sizzling? That is flavor being baked into these fabulous noodles. Now we're just gonna let this sit here for about, 11 minutes. And while that's doing its thing, we're gonna do our thing with the creamy sauce. Let's do it. So what we're gonna do with the creamy sauce is first off, we're gonna start this. Get that going at a nice low, you just want it to be warm. You don't want to burn the creamy Alfredo sauce. We're gonna put this in here while that's going. Nice and warm. Look at that. I love me some creamy Alfredo sauce. There's nothing like it. Go out right now, get yourself some Barilla. Not sponsored, by the way. I wish it was. Creamy Alfredo sauce, some noodles, and you too can have a delicious meal from the comfort of your own home. Get that. You want to get every last bit out of it. We're going to want to stir it with a spoon. You don't want this to burn. That is the last thing that you, as a chef, want for your food to burn. Now, some of you may be wondering what's going on with this right here. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait 11 minutes. It says to a boil for 11 minutes. This is taking forever. Oh crap! I need to stir this thing. Always stir. Oh gosh, we're getting there. Yo, I could have just made the pasta. I did this all summer. I'm Chef Joseph. I could have made the pasta. I'm making the pasta. I'm sorry, buddy. We've got some amateurs here who think they can do a better job than Chef Joseph, but they're wrong, and so are you. Because if you're watching this, it means you're here to learn. We're learning together. I understand the paradox in that. Get over it. Getting this thing stirred. It's been about 8 minutes. It's recommended 11 minutes. I would only go 10 unless you want mushy noodles. You know? You don't want hard noodles either. That's gross. After about 11 minutes has passed, what you're gonna wanna do is pour the boiling water into one of these, but a bigger version, something like this. Now this is single-handedly the most difficult thing to do. We have to pour boiling hot water into what I found out is called a colander without burning ourselves. So let's try it. Oh, we should probably turn this off. Here we go. Woo, look how hot that is. Stir. Oh well, I guess we're gonna have those noodles that just don't want to come out. You're gonna want to shake it. Give a little bit of shake. Give a little bit of shake. Woo. Woo. We're gonna put this back into the pot we just poured into this. Here we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now this thing has been going. What we're gonna want to do now, we're gonna put it with these noodles. These guys are gonna have a party. We're having a party. Creamy Alfredo pasta sauce. Now we stir. And that, my friends, is how you make Alfredo pasta. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial on pasta making, you'll enjoy my other tutorials. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm just kidding, I don't have a YouTube channel. Yeah. Guys, come eat! We thank you for this food, this blessed nourishment from our bodies, and we thank you for a great day today. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen. Jason, look to your right.
No.